Tired of feeling like time is slipping through your fingers? Let's reclaim control by signing up for Clockify, the free and simple time tracker. First, open your web browser and go to Clockify. You'll see the Clockify homepage. Look for the Sign Up Free button. It's usually located in the center or top right corner of the page, then click it. Now, you have a few options for signing up. You can use your Google account, your Apple ID, or sign up with your email address. For this tutorial, we'll use the email option. Enter your email address in the first field, create a strong password in the second field, and confirm it in the third field. Before you proceed, make sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to confirm. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and agreed to the terms, click the Sign Up button. Clockify will now guide you through a quick workspace setup. This helps personalize your experience. Select your role and industry from the drop-down menus. Don't worry, you can change these later if needed. Congratulations! You've successfully signed up for Clockify. You're now looking at your blank timesheet, ready to start tracking your time. Begin to add projects, tasks, and get productive.